Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's time for another awesome video. I was just thinking, we humans, we're pretty weird, right? Like we're obsessed with our phones, we laugh when pigeons get startled, and we put pineapple on pizza. But you know what? We're also pretty amazing. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about humans that you probably didn't know. Get ready to be amazed. Okay, first up, we've got a fact that's going to make you blush, literally. Blushing is one of those fascinating human reactions that we all experience yet rarely think about. It's a unique and involuntary response that can tell a lot about our emotional state. So, let's dive into the world of blushing and uncover some interesting facts. Did you know that humans are the only animals that blush? That's right. While many animals can show emotions through body language or sounds, blushing is a trait that's exclusive to us. This unique feature sets us apart in the animal kingdom and adds a layer of complexity to our social interactions. It's true. When we get embarrassed or flustered, our cheeks turn bright red. This happens because of the dilation of blood vessels in our face, which increases blood flow and gives our cheeks that rosy hue. It's a visible sign that we're feeling a strong emotion, whether it's embarrassment, shyness, or even excitement. Scientists think it might be a way of showing others that we're feeling awkward or ashamed. This involuntary reaction can serve as a non-verbal apology, signaling to others that we recognize a social misstep. It's a fascinating example of how our bodies communicate emotions without words. It's like our bodies are saying, "Oops, my bad." This automatic response can help diffuse tension in social situations by showing that we are aware of our mistake and feel remorseful. It's a subtle yet powerful way of maintaining social harmony. But hey, blushing is totally normal. Everyone does it, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, it can even be endearing and show that you're a genuine and empathetic person. Blushing can create a sense of connection and understanding between people, making social interactions more meaningful. It just means you're in touch with your emotions. So the next time you feel your cheeks heating up, remember that it's a natural and human response. Embrace it as a sign of your emotional depth and authenticity. After all, blushing is just one of the many ways our bodies express the rich tapestry of human emotions. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next fact is going to blow you away. Humans are the best long-distance runners in the entire animal kingdom. You heard me right. We might not be the fastest sprinters, but when it comes to endurance, we're the champions. Our long legs, efficient sweat glands, and upright posture make us perfectly adapted for running long distances. So next time you see a marathon runner, give them a high five. Get ready to have your mind blown by the power of your schnoz. Your nose is an incredible organ capable of doing so much more than just smelling. It's a gateway to memories, emotions, and even a sense of place. Let's dive into the fascinating world of olfaction and discover just how powerful your nose really is. Your nose can remember up to 50,000 different scents. Imagine walking through a garden and being able to distinguish the subtle differences between roses, lilies, and jasmine, or stepping into a spice market and identifying cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves with just a whiff. This remarkable ability is thanks to the olfactory receptors in your nose, which send signals to your brain to help you recognize and remember these scents. That's more than a perfume shop. Perfume shops are filled with a myriad of fragrances, each designed to evoke different feelings and memories. But your nose can do even more. It can pick up on the unique scent of a loved one, the comforting smell of your home, or the fresh aroma of a forest after rain. These scents are stored in your brain, creating a vast library of olfactory memories. From the smell of freshly baked cookies to the aroma of your favorite coffee, your nose is a memory machine. The scent of cookies might remind you of baking with your grandmother, while the smell of coffee could take you back to cozy mornings spent with a good book. These scents are powerful triggers for memories, capable of transporting you to different times and places in an instant. It can even trigger vivid memories from your past. Have you ever caught a whiff of a particular perfume and suddenly remembered a long-forgotten moment? Or smelled a certain food and been transported back to a family gathering? This is because the olfactory bulb, which processes smells, is closely connected to the hippocampus and amygdala, the areas of the brain involved in memory and emotion. So, next time you're feeling nostalgic, take a deep breath and let your nose transport you back in time. Whether it's the scent of a loved one's cologne, the aroma of a favorite dish, or the smell of a place you once visited, your nose has the power to bring those memories to life. Embrace the magic of your sense of smell and let it guide you on a journey through your past. Okay, this next fact is going to sound bananas. Literally, did you know that humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas? I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. We might not look like bananas, but deep down, we're more alike than you might think. We share a common ancestor way back in evolutionary history. So, next time you're peeling a banana, remember that you're basically saying hello to a long-lost relative. Who's up for a late-night brain workout? Well, get this. Your brain is actually more active at night than it is during the day. That's right. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories, processing emotions, and dreaming up crazy scenarios. It's like a nightly brain party up there. So next time you can't sleep, just remember that your brain is busy doing its thing. All right. Foodies, this one's for you. Humans are the only species on Earth that cooks their food. That's right, we've taken our love of food to a whole other level. Cooking has not only made our food tastier, but it's also made it easier to digest and absorb nutrients. So next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the power of cooking. Get ready for a wild ride through your circulatory system. Your body contains about 100,000 miles of blood vessels. That's enough to circle the Earth 4 times. Your blood vessels are like a superhighway, transporting blood, oxygen, and nutrients to every single cell in your body. It's an incredibly complex and efficient system. So next time you feel your heart beating, remember that it's pumping blood through an incredible network of vessels. Here's a fact that'll make you want to strike a pose. Humans are the only animals with chins. That's right. No other animal on Earth has a bony protrusion sticking out from its lower jaw. Scientists aren't exactly sure why we have chins, but some theories suggest that they help with chewing, speaking, or even attracting a mate. Whatever the reason, chins are a uniquely human feature. Get ready to be dazzled by the power of your peepers. The human eye is an extraordinary organ, capable of perceiving a vast array of colors and details that often go unnoticed. It's not just about seeing, it's about experiencing the world in a way that is rich and vibrant. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Imagine the sheer variety and depth of hues that we can perceive. From the deepest blues of the ocean to the brightest yellows of a sunflower, our eyes are constantly at work, interpreting the light that enters them and converting it into the images we see. That's more colors than there are stars in the Milky Way. When you look up at the night sky, you're seeing just a fraction of the universe's wonders. Similarly, the colors we perceive are just a fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum, yet they add so much beauty and meaning to our lives. From the vibrant hues of a sunset, where the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples, painting a breathtaking picture that signals the end of the day, to the subtle shades of a flower petal, where each tiny detail and gradient of color tells a story of nature's intricate design. Our eyes allow us to experience the world in all its colorful glory. They are our windows to the beauty that surrounds us, enabling us to connect with our environment in a profound way. Whether it's the lush green of a forest or the vibrant colors of a bustling market, our vision enriches our experiences. So next time you're admiring a beautiful view, whether it's a majestic mountain range or a serene beach, remember that your eyes are doing an incredible job. They are not just seeing, they are interpreting and enhancing the world around you. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible capabilities of your eyes. They are truly one of nature's most remarkable gifts, allowing us to see, understand, and appreciate the colorful tapestry of life.